What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a simple makeup look. Not really a tutorial, I'm not a makeup guru, I'm just showing y'all how I do my makeup, you know, like nothing fancy, just basic everyday makeup type of stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. And so today we're going for a more I guess natural look, so I'm not gonna do too much, just pretty much just outlining my eyebrows and filling it up a little. I'm just gonna go in and clean it up with a little concealer. I don't really pluck my eyebrows like that because I don't have much eyebrows, so why do I say eyebrows like that? Eyebrows? I'm such a hot mess. Okay, but like I don't really pluck my my brows just because I don't have much to begin with. So I just kind of let them do their own thing. Trying to make them be sisters. You know, not twins, but sisters. Sister child. Sister child. Close enough. Alright, so just kind of clean them up. Clean them up a little bit. Clean them up. Hey, clean them up a little bit. Just gonna brush them up. What's up, girl? Hi. Okay. Oh my god, I need to focus. I need to focus. Focus. So next we do a primer. Just gonna use this. Then we apply some foundation. Actually, I actually just got my shade. Finally, my shade was in stock, so I was super excited to start using this. For my quick everyday makeup type stuff, I don't color correct. I just do my foundation, you know, do my concealer sometimes. Like if I have enough time, do my concealer. But I mean, if you feel like you really want to color correct, I can't talk. If you feel like you really want to color correct, you can, you know, just do that. But this is like what I do when I need to be somewhere quick. And this is even a little bit more fancy than what I do when I have to be somewhere. I just put some foundation on. I put my foundation like around where I have more dark marks. On my mouth. There you go. Why am I so weird? I don't fucking know. But this is me. This is me. Hey, this is me. And then next, we are gonna do our concealer. You know, YouTube is very, I think now that I started YouTube, I understand that it's actually hard, you know. It's actually hard, but like I didn't realize until I started doing it how much time you put in. Why did I put that much on them? But how much time you put into making videos. Like, you know how you see people's videos and you think it's just like 10 minutes long? Bitch. Bitch. My first video took like freaking 3 hours and I was like, I am over this trash, you know? Like, I was like, I can't do this shit. And I'm like, what the hell? People do this for 3 hours? So now I'm trying to, you know, I work. I got things in my life, so I can't be doing these videos for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Like, are you crazy, ma'am? No, I am not. So honestly, in my head I'm like, why am I doing this? But at the same time, it's actually fun to just, it makes you, I don't know, it makes you actually, you know, get your shit together. It makes you plan better. It makes me plan better. It's helping me with like my planning skills, I guess, if you want to call it that. And it actually makes me clean my house. It makes me clean my apartment because my apartment be looking trash and I don't want people to see my apartment looking like shit, you know? Like, my eyebrows look pretty okay, but I don't know if anybody else does this or if it's just me and I'm just crazy thinking that I'm doing something different, but I actually put powder on my brows. People probably think I'm psycho for doing this, but it just makes them look less shiny and it makes them I don't know, it just looks better. I don't know. Don't judge me. Do not judge me, okay? Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful, just like I'm looking right now. So please don't judge me. Sorry guys, I forgot to press record. So I did my eyeliner, which is a hot mess, off camera because I forgot to press record. But I'm back. It's all good. I was able to save myself. Alright, so with this look, you don't have to wear lashes, but you can, which I am going to, even though, fuck. Excuse me. Even though lashes are like the bane of my existence, like putting lashes on is just, I just recently started wearing lashes like that. It's just like, we don't have a very good relationship, me and lashes. We just love and hate relationship because they look good, but they are a bitch to put on. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is so funny.
And then we apply some mascara to blend. I don't know how much it's blending, but I'm trying. Trying to blend. Trying to blend the eyelashes together. I don't know, man. Do I look pretty yet? Do I look fine yet? I have been baking for the past freaking 15 minutes. So let's take this ish off. Look at this pimple right here. Like, not trying to let me be great, just came out of nowhere. Blend it down a little, blend, blend, blend. Highlight the shit out of my face. Highlights make me so happy. Like, can we be friends, highlight? Can we though? Oh, baby, look at that, yo. So beautiful. So perfect. I'm trying not to go ham because this is supposed to be more natural looking, you know? But the temptation, man, the temptation. Oh, bitch. Okay, stop it. I forgot to contour, but honestly on a day-to-day I don't really contour. I'm just gonna do slight work. A little contour never hurt nobody. Blend out the cheeks a little bit. So since I have a big ass forehead, I'm not gonna put any on that forehead to attract more attention. So I'm just gonna leave my forehead sparkle less. Bitch, look at you. I mean, if you don't hype yourself up, who will? Who will? I'm gonna blend everything out with some powder. Now, if you have a little mustache like me, or whatever, if you have a little shadowing, like pigmentation on the top of your lip, I usually put some more concealer on, but it doesn't really bother me, so my ColourPop lip gloss. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.